Hello, it's Mark from Pacific Truck and 4x4 Sales, Ventura, California. Here today we have a 2015 Ford F-250 service bed truck. Super clean truck. It's got the nap hide utility bed on it, 3 bins on each side, flip top boxes on it, headache rack. This one's got the Tommy gate lift gate on it, 1,300 pounds. Spray and bed liner. Tow package, slide out mirrors. Again, it's a 2015 Ford F-250. This one's got 115,000 miles on it. Great work truck. If you need a work truck, van, 4-wheel drive, give us a call. It's Pacific Truck and 4x4 Sales, Ventura, California, 805-650-0900. Thanks for giving us a watch.